Meet the Lepro Smart Light Bulb, your simple way to smarter lighting. Control it with your phone or voice and enjoy vibrant colors with just a tap. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Lepro B1 light bulbs plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. To get started, screw the Lepro Smart Light Bulb into a compatible E26 light socket and switch it on. Download the Lepro Plus app on your Android or iPhone, then sign in or create an account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the app, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the bulb. Once connected, you can adjust brightness, choose from millions of colors, create AI-generated lighting effects, set schedules, and control your lights with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Smart features? AI lighting effects use smart technology to create dynamic lighting scenes automatically. Customize colors, moods, and effects with intelligent adjustments for gaming, movies, parties, or everyday relaxation. Control your lights anytime from your smartphone with Smart App Control. Adjust brightness, change colors, set schedules, and create custom lighting scenes with just a few taps. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Lepro Smart Light Bulb. See you in the next one.